Good morning, dear my friends. Before starting the lesson, let me introduce myself. My name is Samet and I am from Istanbul, Turkey. Today, with my students, we will work on job and occupations. Good morning, dear my students. How are you today? How is going your day? I'm fine, thank you. Ali, why? What happened? You are in silence. Everything is okay. That's nice. Let's talk about dear my students. Today we will learn job and occupation. Job and occupations. For example, who am I? Who am I, dear my students? Who am I? That's right. I am a teacher. I'm a teacher. So, who you are? You are a student. You are a student. Please do not forget this or a. Let's talk about, dear my students. Let's talk about the job. I will present to you a short video in YouTube, and in this video we will learn some jobs, some occupations with explanation. Let's do it.
An actor acts in a play.
For example, the first word is actor. Actor. With the word actor, shall we use a or an? An actor. That's right. Let's look at another
Artist.
artist, and the another word is artist. Artist. Artist.
An artist makes art.
An artist makes art.
Astronaut.
Astronaut. Astronaut. Astronaut. Shall I write it again? Astronaut.
An astronaut explores space.
An astronaut explores space. An astronaut explores space.
Bus driver.
Bus driver. Bus driver. Let's look at the word bus driver. Bus driver. So do you know, dear my students, what does mean bus driver? Bus driver. For example, here is a kind of bus, so you are just use it. For example, to go to job, yeah, or to come to school, and the driver who drives the bus is bus driver. And there is a seat here, and the man is, or the woman is drives the bus is bus driver. And let's see the examples with visual aids.
A bus driver drives buses.
A bus driver drives buses.
Taxi driver.
We have also taxi driver. It is taxi and driver. Taxi driver. And taxi driver
drives a
means
taxi.
a taxi driver drives a taxi, dear my students. For example, the next
Businessman.
word is businessman. Businessman.
A businessman is good at dealing with business.
A businessman is good at
Carpenter.
dealing with business. A carpenter.
A carpenter makes things from wood.
A carpenter makes things from wood.
Cashier.
Cashier.
A cashier takes in or gives out money.
Cashier.
Coach.
Coach.
A coach trains a sports team.
A coach trains a sports team.
Computer programmer.
Computer
A
programmer.
computer programmer creates computer programs.
Computer
Prepares and
programmer.
cooks food.
A chef prepares, cooks and food. Okay, dear my students, let's stop the video here and let's talk about your proficiencies. For example, Ali, tell me, Ali. So what you want to do, what you want to be in the future? You want to be a, for example, I want to be a policeman. Okay. So, hey guys, you all know what does mean policeman? That's right. Okay. Carol, what do you think? What you want to be in the future as a job? Okay. And for example, I want or she wants to be a nurse. So hey guys, you know all the what does mean nurse as a job, as occupation? Yeah, nurse works in a hospital with doctor. What about you? Asel, what do you want to be in the future? You want to be a teacher. She wants to be a teacher. You want to be a teacher in a high school or at university? If you want to be a teacher at university, it's gonna be lecturer or professor. Professor. So that's nice. So you will be you will be working in a university. So you're gonna be a lecturer and or professor. Okay, dear my students, we have already learned all the book all the words, and now it's exercise time. For example, I will show you a picture, dear my friends, and every picture has 4 choices, and you will just distinguish what is the job. For example, it is he. Okay, for example, there is a man here, and he lectures something. A, policeman. B, teacher. C, nurse. D, waiter. That's right, he is a teacher. That's right, dear my students. Let's see the next word. The next word is she. I think she works in hospital, but I'm not sure. I will waiting for your answers. She's a doctor, or she's a teacher, or she's a driver, or she's a policewoman. That's right, she's a doctor. The next word is I think she likes making a cake, but I'm not sure. Let's see. A, cook. B, doctor. C, singer. And D, teacher. That's right, she is cook. And we have 14 exercises, and we have already done it. Okay, dear my students, your assessment will be homework. When you go to home, and you will find 2 people in your home or in your dormitory, and you will ask, what you want to be when you were a child, and you will just get the answer and you will write it down. And the second one is, what job do you do now, and you will take the answer again. And do you like the job? Just ask these three questions, and we will discuss your answers in the next lesson. See you guys.